welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Now if you're new to this channel and if you're seeing this face for the very first time, then hi, I'm Samudrika. I make videos on makeup, skincare, haul videos, and I do vlogging sometimes. Now I am really excited for this video because this is for the very first time that I am filming a Nykaa haul, like sale haul video while the sale is live, because most of the time it happens that I ordered something from a sale and by the time it reaches me the sale is like almost over, and by the time the sale video is live the sale is like over and you guys are unable to avail those offers. So this time the products came quite quick and I am so super excited to film, and also I got quite a lot of products, so I won't talk much, but all of these are very useful, at least for me and for the coming festive season. And I will be like sweating a lot क्योंकि fan on नहीं है, AC भी on नहीं है, and the reason is sound आ जाता है and I don't want that to happen. So yeah, bear with me and keep on watching. So as you can see I have a really huge box. Like ऐसे मुझे और 2 boxes आ चुके हैं. ये खाली है इसीलिए I can like just do this, do that. ये खाली है, सारे products मेरे पास यहाँ है. So I'll start with skincare first and then I'll move on to makeup. The first thing which I got is from Plum. It is the Plum Green Tea Facial Mist. It is a toner or a mist. Like I so love this product. It is very lightweight and it feels so fresh. I like to spray it all over my face. Like most of the time I'm either using this one or normal rose water. Like any time in the day if I'm feeling like very dehydrated and not very fresh, I like to sprinkle it all over my face, and it is very reasonable. और ऊपर से sale चल रहा है, so I thought of getting my hands onto this because पहले जो मेरे पास है already उसका I think लगभग इतना सा और बाकी है, so it is the best time to get it. So yeah, this is the first pick. So next up I got this anti-acne face serum from Wow Skin Science. Now मुझे ये same product like 2 महीने पहले Wow से मिला था and I fell in love with it. Like मुझे Wow से बहुत सारे ऐसे PRs आते हैं and बहुत ही कम ऐसा होता है that I personally go and purchase something again because मैं इतना ज़्यादा मतलब इतने सारे products use नहीं करती हूँ. For a time if my skin is facing some issue I stick to a proper skincare and ऊपर से मेरे पास बहुत सारे skincare रह जाते हैं. But I really like using this one. I have an acne prone skin and this has really helped me in the sense like you need a serum, right? You need a serum in your skincare and you just cannot use any serum because it secretes more oil and your skin feels oily. But this thing is so nice. It is lightweight and it makes your skin feel so fresh and it absorbs quite quick as well. Now ये ठंडक आपकी skin को पहुंचाता है and बहुत ही smooth है, and it has that sort of a tea tree smell which you would love if you have an acne prone skin. It will give you the good amount of moisturization, not too less, not too much. Like I love this product. It retails for 600 rupees in general, but कभी भी ये आपको 600 में नहीं but उससे भी कम में मिल जाएगा, और ऊपर से तो सेल चल रहा है. I would really recommend you to get this because this is something which I am using since like 2 months now, and मेरा अलग से acne के लिए skincare रहता है. But I always wanted to use a serum but I could not find any which would not harm my acne. So yeah, this is the one which I'm using currently. You can give it a try as well. Next up I got this under eye cream from Mama Earth. Now ये मैंने बहुत पहले use किया था, like around like 6 to 7 months ago, and like I don't have that much dark circle but मुझे थोड़ा hollowness हो जाता है जिसके वजह से थोड़ा dark लगता है. आप देख सकते हो थोड़ा hollowness है, and these days I am filming like double because of the festive season. I have so much work to get done, putting on makeup, sitting in front of the light, sitting in front of the camera, and so I have to edit, and I sleep quite late. That is the reason why I am getting like a bit of hollowness and darkness underneath my eyes. And this cream is enriched with cucumber and coffee, and it is especially for dark circles. So if you're someone like me who has like minimal amount of dark circle, like brownish ones, then you can definitely give this a try because ये आपको सोने में भी हेल्प करेगा because it has helped me a lot. I have been using this for like 2 days now. So मैंने ये पहले भी यूज़ किया हुआ है, ये नया पैक आया है इसलिए 2 days बोल रही हूँ. You can, if you are following me on Instagram since a long while, then you must have seen me, applying it for some of my skincare video last year. So I really like this product. I'll just show you the consistency of this. So this is how the texture is. It is very lightweight, trust me guys, and it again has a little amount of cooling sensation. You will feel really nice. Applying cucumber, coffee and all those packs is a hassle. So for people like me who are like working late at night and you don't want to go and get your DIY done and put it, then you can just give it a try. It is very affordable and very effective. Next up, I got something very helpful for people with acne prone skin. So this is the one. It is the Dr. Bolmar spot patch kit. I have tried it like many times, so I haven't opened it yet, just to show you guys. So this is how you open it, and then you get a sealed packet inside. I'll just show you. Yeah, so this is how it is. It is like a sealed package like that. So once you open it, you will get like 3 packets more, 1 for pimple and 2 for the spot patches. So these are the 3 packets as I told you. So one is a spot plaster band, one spot hydrocolloid band, and a spot hydrocolloid band. Now I don't know if they have changed something, but previously which I got, it had one packet for the pimple and the other 2 were for the spots. So what you need to do is I'll just show you one. So spot hydrocolloid band. Okay, so this time they have changed it a bit, and I am so happy because it is the spot hydrocolloid band, which is for the pimples. Last time they sent only one packet for the pimple one and 2 for the spots one, because I don't know, the spot bandages did not really work, but the pimple ones really worked. So this is how it looks like. If you have a pimples which has pus, then just use one patch and then just place it on your pimple and let it stay overnight, and the next morning when you open it, you will just see that the white pus is there on the patch and your skin is flat. And the next step would be that spot band, so that you can prevent the germs or the infection to get spreaded out, and you can also prevent the pollution to enter into the affected area, because just right now you have sucked out the pus. So it is something very useful for people with acne, which has pus acne, not the ones like blackheads or whiteheads. It won't treat blackheads or whiteheads. The ones having like pus pimple, they can definitely give this one a try. It is a must have for you guys. I love it. I have always been using this since I got to know about it. I'll provide the link down in the description box. You might not find it if you type it, because it's not always available. Do check the link below to get this. Next up, I got this one. I always have to get this one because I have to put a lot of makeup. Not a lot of makeup, but I have to put makeup quite a lot of times in a week. So that's why my makeup removers, I'll always like getting over every single month, even if I'm getting the huge one. So I got this. It is the Garnier Skin Naturals Micellar Oil Infused Cleansing Water. I get the yellow one because it is oil infused, because it is helpful for getting rid of that waterproof makeup which I put on. So yeah, this is a must have for all the makeup lovers. This one, or you can also get the Bioderma one. Bioderma one is slightly on the pricier side, and as I have to use a lot of it, so I just think that this is like quite affordable and good one. So next up, I got something very interesting. This is something which I'm getting for the very first time, but I have heard a lot about it. It is the Beautyco Teeth Whitening Coconut Shell Activated Charcoal Powder. It is a 50-gram product, and it is a product with which you can whiten your teeth. So what you need to do is it is like a charcoal powder. It is like totally black charcoal water. You need to wet your toothbrush and then dip it into the powder, and then just brush your teeth normally the way you do, and then just throw it out, and then you will have really nice white teeth. But I won't say that you will get like the tarakta bhadakta chamakta teeth, but you will definitely see a difference, because I have seen a difference after using it. I'm very happy with this purchase, because in this festive season we want to groom ourselves. We do our eyebrows, we do our hair, we do our makeup, but we often forget these small things like our teeth hygiene, like our oral hygiene. Everything is necessary, and you always want to have a bright smile. So when you smile, you won't like to have yellow teeth, right? So yeah, definitely you need to give this a try, guys. It is very effective. So the last thing which I got from skincare are these tools. These are like facial razors. I do shave my face as in the hair which I get like in these areas, like छोटे छोटे बहुत छोटे छोटे hair मुझे आते हैं, तो I really like to clean those, because I do makeup, and अगर आपके फेस में बाल है तो वो मेकअप आपके बालों में ट्रैप हो सकता है, जो कि मैं मिस्टेक पहले करती थी कि मैं वो साफ नहीं करती थी. दैट्स व्हाई आई यूज्ड टू गेट अ लॉट ऑफ पिंपल. नाउ आफ्टर आई स्टार्टेड शेविंग, आई हैव seen a lot of difference in my skin. My skin is more smooth, makeup application is more smooth, and I don't get those pimples like more often in these areas, because I used to get a lot of pimples in these areas like all of a sudden. I did not know why. And also you need to make sure that you use a thick layer of moisturization, like moisturizer before using this, because if you are too harsh on your skin, you will get small bumps which will lead to pimples later on. So be very careful while using this. These are like very affordable, like very affordable. I'll link it down below, go check them out. Moving on to makeup, I got two foundations. Like I already have a lot of foundation, but I cannot get enough of them. I got this one. It is a very famous foundation, guys. It is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Foundation. Now it is not the actual size, it is the miniature version of them. It retails for something around like 250 or 30 rupees. Isn't it so affordable? And it will go on for a long period of time. If you're not someone who does makeup every single day, it will go on for like months, because you don't need a lot of foundation. I always tell you, take a very little amount of foundation, and it is a very lightweight foundation, and also it gives you a good coverage. So if you're not someone having too pigmented skin, you won't even need a concealer. Just 2-3 drops here and there and you're done. It has a very flowy consistency as well, lightweight. But if you're someone who has a very dry skin, it will just dry out your skin more as it is a matte foundation. So you need to do a very proper skincare before starting on with this foundation. But if you are somebody of oily skin and you do your skincare and then apply this, oh my god, you will love the results. I love it. I'm in the shade 128. Do give it a try. I am getting it for the festive season, because I don't want to put like a lot of heavy foundation, as मुझे पता है कि foundation लगाऊंगी, mask पहनूंगी, I am ready to welcome pimples again. But I need to take some precautions. That's why I got so much of skincare and this foundation as well. Next up, I got another foundation from Wet n Wild. Now it is one of my favorite foundation. I have always used this in my makeup videos, and it is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation in the shade Golden Beige. Now it is again a very lightweight foundation. Let me show it to you guys. And the applicator is also like that. It makes very easier for us to apply it. Just do this. And by the way, I used this foundation today on my skin. Like, just see what a natural finish it gives to my face. Like, it's very clean, and I haven't used any concealer. Again, I anyway use a very little amount of foundation. So just imagine what a good coverage this foundation gives. It is a matte foundation, but not that matte. It is like moderate matte, and then it is very lightweight, and it won't dry out your skin, but it will give you a little amount of glow as well. So what more you want from a foundation? I'll link it down below. You can go check it out. Next up, I got a mascara from L'Oreal. This is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. I have talked about it a lot, and मेरा पहला वाला सूख चुका था. Like, इतना भी नहीं सूख चुका था, मतलब कुछ दिन वो चला जा सकता है. But when is the right time to get this kind of a mascara which is so good? It is like, it was in sale. L'Oreal में भी सेल चल रहा है, so क्यों ना लूँ मैं. कुछ दिन बाद वैसे भी लेना है, तो डबल मैं क्यों पे करूँ, इसलिए मैंने ले लिया है. If you want like voluminous long thick lashes, then you definitely should give this a try. And it is a dupe of the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, which is like very pricey. So you can get this. I have used this mascara today. Just look at my eyelashes. My eyelashes are not that, elongated, but if I use it, it gives me such a nice look. It seems like I am using like very classic small lashes, extra lashes, like false lashes, but actually I'm not using. Next up, I got one Nykaa mini lipstick. This is so chotu sa lipstick. It is like matte lipstick, but it won't dry out your lips much. It is in the shade cinnamon. ये मैंने पहले भी use किया है, and I really like the shade. I'll just show you how it looks like. It is a very, very, very light, nice, shade. Just look at it. It is like best for daily wear, office going girls. Even if you are going for a party and if you're wearing a black outfit and nude makeup, and if you try this one, it is great to have. It is very, very, very cheap. I don't remember the exact price, but I'll link it down below. Go, you will be shocked how affordable and cheap the price is. Now we are almost towards the end of the video. Now the star of the video, or my most favorite stuff, which I'm very excited about. It is a hair tool. So I got this curling iron from Iconic. It is a curling iron from Iconic Professional, and it is CT22 the size. So I'll just show you how it looks. I already have curling irons, but I wanted to upgrade, so I got this one. So this is how the rod looks like. It is very, very long, and this is the size of the C222. So I'll just show you how to curl with this kind of irons. So just take a little amount of hair, not too much, put it inside, drag it down like that, secure it, and then just move it upward. If you want outer curls, you can move it that side, and you will get a good amount of curl. And it has buttons here with which you can turn on, turn off, increase or decrease. And it has a long wire. So अगर आपका cord, extension cord, या फिर आपका जो भी switch board है वो बहुत ही दूर में है, then also आप इसको use कर सकते हो. And 360 degree ये plug turn होता है, which is very, very good. So आपको कोई परेशानी नहीं होगी इसके साथ. ये भी एक आता है जिसकी मदद से आप इसको बिठा सकते हैं कोई भी टेबल पे, एंड ये हॉट रहता है, सो वो बर्न ना हो जाए, इसके लिए ये दिया जाता है. एंड इसमें भी एक कवरिंग दिया हुआ है. सो आई रियली लव दिस. इज वेरी, वेरी प्रोफेशनल, एंड बहुत ही इसका क्लासी एंड लग्जरी सा एक फीलिंग आता है इसको पकड़ने में. एंड आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड टू स्टाइल माई हेयर विद दिस टूल ड्यूरिंग द फेस्टिव सीजन. इवन द वेडिंग सीजन इज राइट एट द कॉर्नर. आई एम वेरी, वेरी एक्साइटेड. ये आपको बहुत ही कम दाम में मिल रहा है. ये ऑफर चल रहा है समथिंग अराउंड 2000 समथिंग, बट ये यूजुअली इट्स वेरी प्राइसी. मोर देन 3000 इसका प्राइस आता है. इवन मे बी मोर देन दैट, आई डोंट रिमेंबर. आई लिंक इट डाउन बिलो. गो चेक इट आउट. सो गाइज, दैट्स ऑल आई गॉट फ्रॉम द नायका नवरात्रि सेल. आई होप यू गाइज लाइक्ड दिस वीडियो, एंड आपको जो भी पसंद आया है आप नीचे जाइए. नीचे सब प्रोडक्ट्स के लिंक दिए हुए हैं, एंड आई विल ट्राई टू लिंक माई अदर नायका सेल हॉल्स एज वेल, सो यू कैन गो चेक दिस आउट एंड गेट योर स्टफ. बिकॉज जो मेरे पास स्टफ ऑलरेडी है वो मैंने ऑर्डर नहीं किया है, बट ऐसे भी बहुत सारे स्टफ है जो मैं यूज करती हूँ. मैंने प्रीवियस हॉल में परचेस कर लिया है, इसलिए मैंने इस हॉल में नहीं लिया है. सो गो एंड चेक दोज आउट. एंड इफ यू लाइक दिस वीडियो, हिट ऑन दैट लाइक बटन, subscribe to my channel, and turn on that post notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Bye.